everyone! Today I'm going to tell you about the smartest camera trigger which is used for high-speed photography and which can be controlled by your smartphone. It is MIOPS RemotePlus. Let's check together what is in the box. High-speed camera trigger, MIOPS RemotePlus, camera cable, and a mini USB cable. MIOPS RemotePlus is a camera trigger that allows you to take photos of your high-speed events with the full advantage of your smartphone. Before taking a closer look, let's see first how it works. Put your MIOPS RemotePlus on top of your camera and connect MIOPS RemotePlus to your camera by using the camera connection cable. By the way, if you want to trigger your flash, you can get additional flash adapter kit. And now, download MIOPS mobile application to your smartphone or tablet from the App Store or Google Play Store. Your MIOPS RemotePlus may not be delivered with the latest firmware. If so, you can use mobile application to check for new versions of firmware, and then you can update the device with just a single click. Choose desired function from the menu and enter your settings and let the magic happen. It is so easy. You can use all functions of your smartphone even if it's connected to your MIOPS RemotePlus. And now we are ready to see what you can do with this amazing product. MIOPS RemotePlus is powerful enough to capture milliseconds lightning bursts and detects lightning strikes instantly, both in daylight and night. With MIOPS RemotePlus sound feature, you can capture the sound events with no delay. It is fast enough to capture high-speed events such as popping balloons or breaking glasses. MIOPS RemotePlus triggers your camera when an item breaks the laser beam, which is aimed to your camera. You can also add some delay after detection and capture great scenes. Thanks to its perfect design and features, MIOPS RemotePlus gives you a chance to take smart photos. You can just shake your smartphone to take a picture. Actually, there are no limits what you can do with this spectacular product. If you want to learn more about RemotePlus feature, you can check our how-to series on our playlist. I hope you enjoyed the video. For more information, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.